Hello and welcome to this video on custom made measurement. For the custom made measurement, we need the following things: measurement chart, a good pen, arch meter, a lipstick and a tailoring tape. So first step is to make a good foot draw. So make the patient very comfortable and place his foot on the measurement chart and keep the pen straight and keep both the foot in parallel and just try to draw the foot. And as far as corns and ulcers are concerned, mark the affected area with the lipstick. And please ensure that you don't draw closer to the walls or very much away from the walls. It has to be exactly 2 to 3 mm covering the ulcers or the corns so that the offloading is perfect. Now hold the foot gently and firmly so that you place it on the measurement chart. Now make the foot draw. Always ensure that you are keeping your pen straight so that it doesn't get into the foot or it is getting too far away from the foot. So keeping the pen straight is the most important part of a measurement. And then carefully ask the patient to take it away. So now you can see the imprint of the lipstick on the measurement chart. Now keep the measurement tape in such a way that it connects the prominence of the first metatarsal head and the fifth metatarsal head and measure the circumference. This makes the forefoot circumference. Similarly, move the tape a little bit in the middle of the arch, which is of course a mid of the foot, and you take the circumference measurement, and this will be the midfoot circumference. And now you place across the heel, and this is the cross heel measurement. So it is optional for you to measure the semis both in the midfoot as well as in the forefoot and record those semis in the measurement chart. Ensure to take measurement photos, which is very important when it comes to uploading of measurements. First photo is anterior foot, posterior foot, plantar, both right as well as left, and the measurement chart after doing the measurements of the measurement chart. In step 3, we learn about foot draw measurements. Draw a line from the tip of the toe to the mid of the heel, and that measures the length of the foot. If you are drawing a line from the first metatarsal prominence to the fifth metatarsal prominence, that makes the width of the foot. And for marking the ulcers, we have to draw a circle on each ulcer marking and then measure the ulcer height and measure the ulcer width and also measure the distance between the tip of the heel to the ulcer's bottom point. And in the case of multiple ulcers, repeat the same for all the ulcers and mark it in the same measurement chart. In step 4, we will do the arch assessment. Carefully place the arch meter under the medial arch and measure the arch values. And this will be the normal arch. And then by lifting the toe, apply the windlass mechanism so that you will get the neutral arch measures and record this as neutral arch. And don't forget to take the medial arch photos, both of the right as well as the left. And we also need to take the other additional measurements like LLD. First you have to mark the center of the medial malleolus in both the legs. Ideally we have to take the measurement from the ASIS. Just ask the patients to hold the tape in the navel and then carefully keep the tape as straight as possible and measure the distance between the navel and the medial malleolus, both on the right as well as the left, and compare the measures, and the difference is the leg length discrepancy. And for the foam box measurements, carefully hold the patient's foot in a neutral position and ask them to apply pressure and hold it neutrally, and then arrange the fingers in a proper manner so that the foot impression is taken in a fine manner. Now we have reached the final step where we upload the measurements. Click on the Hoshe Store button and then click on the customer icon. And now it will take to a new page where you have to add the customers. So add all the customer details and ensure that every column is filled, and then press submit. Once you submit, you can see the new customer is being added. Now the next step is to add measures. And when you go to the add measures, you will see 3 columns. You have to submit the foot measurement. So based on the measurement chart, upload all the necessary data, and don't forget to put left corrections as well as the right corrections and the technician's observation. Once you submit this button, it will take you to a page where you have to upload the images. Upload all the taken images in the respective area so that every bit of the detail which you have taken during the assessment and the measurement is uploaded so that it is available for the technician for a verification, and this will help you to get a proper output. And then save the button, and if there is any other additional information, please add those information also and upload the necessary images. And now you will see the uploaded measurements, and then finally you have to click on the order. You have to add the product and select the product required, then the color, then the material and the required corrections. In the delivery options, you have 3 choices. One, you can deliver it to the customer or to one of your users or to your store. Select accordingly and upload the order, and the whole process completes with this. It takes you to a page where there is an order confirmation, and please ensure to check the status of the order as pending. So this completes the whole ordering process. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe to Hoshe channel to get regular updates